Hey guys, it's me Stace. I am back again today with another Toddler Tuesday video, and today's project is super cute and fun. We are making this little cactus here, just made from rocks, sitting in a styrofoam cup with some sand. Super easy to do. The first thing you will need is some paint. I have these two from Walmart. These are the apple barrel. I have white, and then this one is Christmas green. And what I did next was take a few containers, and I poured the green in one. Next I added green with a little bit of white to make it lighter, and then green with more white to make it even lighter. This would give me 3 different colors or 3 different shades of the green. Then you want to go outside and grab some rocks. It does not matter the shape or the size. Give them a quick wash, let them dry. Then you're going to paint your rocks. And I have my dark green here, my medium, and my light green. Now to create the dots, just take some white paint and the end of a paintbrush. Just go ahead and add the dots on there. This is great for a rainy day craft. Okay, so I think we're good. So all of our cactus are done. Next you want to grab a styrofoam cup and some sand. Forgot that. That's over here. Just some sand, just this regular play sand. I'm going to use like a little scoop to scoop some up, put it in my cup. If they want to, they can also use a clay pot. Okay, we're good there. Make a mess while you're doing it. You see I have a little pile of sand there. Now just take your rocks, go ahead and stick them in the sand. Then we have this one here. How fun is that to give as a gift, right? Makes a really cute paperweight as well for mom and dad if they work in an office setting. But there you have it, guys. Today's Toddler Tuesday, like I said, super easy and a lot of fun. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.